Picture a repair shop with the best techs in town, the best reviews, the fairest prices, and a phone that stays quiet. Because when a fridge dies, the homeowner never even finds them. This is how one appliance shop went from invisible to owning almost every search in a 900 square mile region. Meet All Appliance and Refrigeration. Their service area wasn't a neighborhood. It was a 15-mile radius around College Station, Texas. Roughly 900 square miles of suburbs and rural towns. Here's the problem every contractor with a big service area hits. Ranking near your own front door is easy, but drive 12 miles to the next town, you vanish. And that town has homeowners calling someone else right now. The competition was brutal. 76 businesses fighting for the same calls, local shops, regional outfits, and national names like Sears. When a customer 3 towns over searches appliance repair, they call whoever shows up first, not the best shop, the most visible one. Most shops check their rank once. From their own office, see number 1, and assume they're winning everywhere. They're not. So coverage got measured across 49 points spanning the entire radius. The actual map a real customer sees. Then came the real weapon, reputation. So the strategy leaned hard into reviews, building one of the largest, most trusted review bases in the market, something a competitor can't fake overnight. The results: share of local voice, 97.96%. Number 1 out of 76 competitors. A 4.9 star rating across 628 reviews. The nearest competitor, 32.65%. Not even the same race. So when a homeowner with a dead fridge starts searching, they don't gamble on a stranger. They call the name everyone already trusts. If your phone should be ringing more than it is, the problem might not be your work. It might be that customers a few towns over can't find you. See where you stand and what it takes to outrank your competition. Free local visibility audit at the link below.